The day has finally come, gentlemen. So I got a Torx bit set so I can take off the thing that holds the pin in because it broke on the last one and put the new one in. So I got this pin out. It took the threads with it and the hatch struts came in. So let's get started. Let's test the strength of the old one in comparison to the new shock. Old shock is this one right here. And this one is like, you gotta give it a little bit. Let's see how strong this one is. Oh my. Does it even move? I have to sit on it, bro. I have to sit on it to get it to move. Oh my gosh, no wonder this freaking separates the glass. Do I even want to do this? But I have no other choice. We'll be needing this pretty soon. I believe these just pop in. I forget which side goes where. Yeah, I think they just pop in. It's like, yeah. Am I gonna have to decompress this just to get it on? Oh, that is gonna suck. I have to get it in that little ball joint right there. I might just have somebody else lift it higher, actually. So I had my mom help me lift it, and look at this. It's definitely higher on that side. Is it even, oh shoot, it's not gonna close on that side because I don't even have the pin in. So the idea is to remove this and replace it with this. Well, it's definitely different because it doesn't have the edges. So if it doesn't work, I'll cut the edges off. But if it does work, I might replace it on both sides just to make it even. So I got the screws out. And this should, oh, almost threw my phone. Oh, I even zoomed in. It's out. So this should just line right up here. Yeah, I wonder how it's gonna do with lifting up on the side. So I'm gonna bolt this down and see how it looks. So it doesn't look bad, but I'm gonna put the pin on and shut it and see how we're looking. All right, both pins are in. Now, let's do a little shut test. Freaking bee's trying to kill me. How does this one shut? I mean, it's going in, it's just taking a little bit of persuasion. Yeah, it definitely looks a little goofy having this on this side, so I might do it on both sides just to make it even. First, let's see if this even unlocks. I think the strut is pushing it so far back in there. I'll just disconnect it from the inside. Which that's gonna suck, bro. Push the little grip off like this. Dude, okay, when I pull this off, it is gonna shoot that way. Oh, never mind. Okay, but that's stupid though. Okay, let me redo the pins. That's stupid because like, how am I supposed to Does this side even wanna go? If it wasn't a strut, I'd rather the pin. Freaking wrist is, just look. Oh, brother. So it appears it's not opening completely. I have to disconnect this again. Holy grease everywhere. Okay, those are the two nuts. Then I have to pop it off from... Pop off. Girlies, queen, sis. Bad day to have weak nails. Oh, brother. See, like... Evan, why didn't you just buy a Honda Civic? Okay, that's really privileged of me to say. I don't have anything to grab. Literally, my nails are all breaking off trying to get this off. I'm gonna get the flathead. Get me out of here! Grab it from here. I think it'd actually be easier if it wasn't fully unlocked right now. I need to turn them over. Meow, 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 meow. There it is. Okay, so I got the hatch pin to seat nice, so I'm gonna put this on this side too. Will this lock and unlock correctly this time? About to find out. So my phone lost battery for a lot of it. So the real issue that was preventing this from going down is, number one, this was kind of big, so I shaved it down, but I'm not sure if that was a real issue because this thing just wasn't moved right. I had to adjust it, and I think the pin was like going in like not perfectly centered, but like a little bit off. The hatch lock now works really well. The key works, it locks, it unlocks, and it works. Look at this, I'll press the button. They both lift. They don't both fully come out because I think the struts don't really lift it from there, but then I can just... And freaking huzzah, bro. I might get a new one of these, honestly, because I would really like for this to work, not gonna lie, because that would be sick.